Also at 5, Premier Health and EMS agencies are refining the way they hand off suspected COVID-19 patients by using a new app. And 2 News reporter Deborah Bogart joins us live to continue our team coverage.
Just this past weekend, a lieutenant with Huber Heights Fire and EMS says they took 2 suspected coronavirus patients to Premier Health locations, and he's fairly certain they used the Pulsara app in both instances. Both he and Premier Health officials say using this app is making the handoff of these patients more safe and seamless. With just a few touches on the Pulsara app, EMS agencies can notify Premier Health hospitals that they're inbound with a possible coronavirus patient.
That allows our emergency department team, through the use of an iPad that is mobile with them, to acknowledge that patient coming in, provide any direction to the EMS agencies as to where they might enter or what bed they might take the patient to. And it's without having to use telephones or having our ED staff go over and answer the radio or the phone.
The Pulsara app was already in use by first responders to alert emergency rooms where they were transporting a stroke patient. But it was just adapted to include COVID-19.
It's GPS monitored, so it will tell the hospital, hey, Huber Heights Medic 22 should be here in 12 minutes or whatever. So it's giving them a timeline, too, of when we should be there, as opposed to in the past, it was me sitting in the back kind of guessing, hey, I'm here, I think I'm 15, 20 minutes away.
Lieutenant John Russell with Huber Heights Fire and EMS says while in transit, they're able to put in patient information like the symptoms they're experiencing. This allows hospital staff to anticipate the incoming patient's needs, limit exposure, and make the handoff of the patient much more efficient.
And in the hospital, we get those patients where they need to be quicker. We get back in service faster. And like I said, hopefully that's the goal, is to get, back in service to take care of more patients.
The Pulsara app is being used at all Premier Health hospitals. Russell says they're going to see how it goes using coronavirus, as they were already talking about adding cardiac or trauma patients to the Pulsara app. So this could open the gate to finding more use for it. Reporting live in Dayton, Deborah Bogart, 5 on 2.